Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this ITCC cream. This has been my foundation now for a couple of years, and it's been great. As you can see, this particular bottle is well used and loved. I use it on a daily basis, and it works really well for me. I personally prefer a foundation that leaves your skin with a little bit more of a matte finish. I don't like a lot of shine. And this works really well for that, but it also gives me full coverage. I feel like it hides really well any red undertones in my skin. It blends excellently with my color, so I don't have to worry about weird streaks or anything on my face. And the SPF 50 has been a huge help. We live in a place where it's very easy to get burned, and I really haven't gotten a burn on my face in years wearing this makeup, and I usually don't put sunscreen on every day, so that SPF 50 has been a huge help for me. This has been a great product. I love it for my foundation, and that's my point of view.